Hi everyone, how are you doing? And I am online. Oh, just a second. I need to change the lighting setup so you can see me better, maybe, or not, but it's a little bit dark in the background. So, hey, how are things? Happy to have you all here joining with me. I am going to do some trick and hopefully you will be hearing some music underneath. So we are trying something different right now here. So I'm moving this, setting this up. Then let's try on lo-fi hip hop beat, and it's you should be hearing something, probably not. Hello. Let's try to set up the music, but so VB cable, control panel. Here we go. Okay. This is here, and it's not really working as it should. So let's see if we can get that music set up. And properties here, VB cable. Okay, can you hear it? Habemos music, yay, okay. So let me see if it's correctly configured in the stream. Output audio. So stream. Wait a second. It's here. And it's probably advanced audio properties and desktop audio. It's should not. Can you still hear the sound? Yeah, this should not go into the VOD. Yes, okay. So yeah, this should means it's not going to the VOD and it's correctly going in there. And then I need to also hear it myself. Cool. So yay. Okay, so you should be hearing this and I should be hearing it too. Too loud. Okay. Yay. Okay. Done. So is this correct? Is it a good setup? Now it's perfect. Okay. So we have a little bit of low vibe music. This is a great addition, by the way. Like, I need to thank Acorn. What's her name? There is another Twitch streamer. Acorn 101, something like that, and she is pretty cool and nice, and she is Acorn 1010, and that's it's she does she told me this setup in the latest thing, so yay, thank her. And it's great. Okay, so what do you want to build today? So my idea here is to build a little bit of something. Oh, wow. Okay, hi, Liran. Okay, very happy to have you here too. And cool. We are not doing security today, but so in other terms, what we are going to do is very insecure. So fun. So let's move to this setup, and I want the Chrome. Okay. So let's start. Let's do this with a little bit of design. Okay. So let's go to plus.excalidraw. Do you like Excalidraw, by the way? I like Excalidraw quite a lot. So let's create a new thing. Okay, this is, let's rename this. This is called the Unscalable queue system. Oh, music is too loud. Okay. Yay, it's down again. Is it good right now? Still too loud? How is it? Is it good? Still too loud. No change. Ah, sorry. Sorry about this. Okay. And sorry. Yeah, this is done. Okay, and now should be better, right? Yeah, it's good. Okay. So, but I need here. Okay, better now for me too. Okay, great. Should be good now. Okay, so what are we building? We are building the unscalable queue system, or in friendly term, UQS. What is this? So it's a new little thing that I really wanted to build for a while, and I haven't it done. And I haven't it done. Really wanted to build, and I never found the time. So I found that this could be a good way to, yay, white. Okay, so to start doing some stuff. So here we can say this is UQS, and we want a little bit of database too here. It's unscalable, right? So because it's unscalable, we're just using SQLite, and it's the things that is unscalable is probably not correct, but this is part of what this is. So this I'm actually canceling, and I'm putting. So this has a SQLite or SQLite tiny SQLite database. So it's one instance, okay, and basically it's the use case I want to support is this receives an API call. It's a special kind of queue that pushes any event back to the queue even after it was handled. Yeah, no, that's not exactly what I want to do. So this is accepts an API call. Let's say that add to queue, okay, or enqueue, or maybe even save item. Okay, and we have this save the item, okay, and then it's with a little bit of parameters here. So let's add those parameters. Okay, so okay, here we go. Why this is doing this? Okay, so let's do it as save item, and in save item we want to store. Okay, let's say we want a QID, okay, 42 because it's a number, okay. Then we want to do let's put it this way, and we want to say when, okay, and when is I'm going to put a thing here in 10 minutes. Okay. But likely not in a time format. It is just going to be, let's put it, ISO 383, ISO date format, never recall that, date format, okay? And it's the, 88601. Never recall this, like literally. Okay, so Okay, this is the date format. Okay. Bots, I don't like bots. Okay, so Nichu Angwer, whoever you are, probably not a good message for this channel. I am not going to ban you right now, but I don't want to even learn how to do that. But if you continue, I'll stop and make it so I can actually ban you properly. So it's a bot. Oh, so I can ban? Can I ban a bot? Can somebody tell me how to ban a bot? If somebody can tell me how to ban him and give him the command, I will actually do it. So it's kicked out. Anyway, so we are here building this. We have same item when, and I want to have an address, which is oh, sorry, I need here. I want to say URL, and here is a callback URL, and this is a URL. Okay, then and then I want some headers, and this is an object. Okay, and it's a JSON. Okay, it's an object. It's a free-form object. I don't know how to type this. Oh, okay. Ban username. Do you like my humor, by the way? So, okay, let's do the ban. So ban, okay, and then I need to ban the bot, which is in an impossible pronounceable name. Okay, so let's ban him. Cool. It's banned. It's done. Bye. It was a pleasure. My first ban in Twitch. So happy about it. Yeah, keep following me on social media if you like my humor, whatever. Anyway, so we are here. This is the, so we have this save item, and it's some headers, and probably we want the method. And this is a post. And we want a body, which is another JSON. Does it make sense? Hopefully so. So we are saving an item, okay? And then this is going to, oh, sorry. Think about this. This is after X minutes, okay, after when time is right, okay, was time has passed, not time is right, has passed. That was the price. Was time has passed, okay. Okay, we do, we call the callback URL. So whoop, and this is, let's color this in red so that it's clear. Oh, I want this in red. Okay, so this is clear. Wait until time has passed. Okay. I think this is correct and what we want to implement and track. And then we'll probably want to have some little more things about the status and all sort of stuff like that. Okay. So let's start, I would say. Oh, before that, let me do one thing. It's let's do share. Okay. Yeah, share. And I'm putting it view only, so the bots cannot fill this, but I'm going to copy it and paste it here. And this is the link to the architecture diagram. Okay, and I'm going to pin it. And yeah, this thing. Okay. Okay, should be good. Okay. So are we ready? Let's create a repo. Okay. So let's go in Platformatic, and let's create. Platformatic is the company I work for. So if you don't know, I've spammed you enough already. So, well, actually, new repository. And we have, I have a lot, I'm in a lot of orgs, a little bit too many. Okay, let's call it Unscalable Q system. And I am making it public for all of you to watch and see. I want a node, and I want a license, Apache 2 or MIT. This can be even MIT. This is Apache 2. Okay, create repository. Here we go. We are creating a repo. Okay, we have a repo. So let's start in the code. Okay. And where it is, I want this one. Okay. So git cd repositories and git clone unscalable Q system. Hooray, unscalable Q system. Okay. So what do we do with this? Well, I have the new very fancy PLT. So it's the new create platformatic, I think, command. You can use this with npx npm create space platformatic. I demoed this in the last announcement or something. Anyway, I'm running this command, and it's create a new project. It's a DB project, okay? And I want to create in this folder. I want the default migration. No, not really. I want a plugin. Yeah, I want a plugin. Do you want to use TypeScript? Hell no, I'm not using TypeScript. Sorry. How many of you love TypeScript? But I'm not making a shame of myself using it. So yeah, I want npm install. Yeah, I want npm install. I'm installing my dependencies. It's crunching. It's taking forever and ever. npm, unfortunately. So do you like dependencies on npm? Yay. Hey folks, good stuff. TypeScript is love. Oh, I know all of you love TypeScript. I just don't. So sorry. Yeah. So I really prefer not TypeScript if I can code something. So sorry about this if I disappoint all of you. While npm is installing, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Hello. Do you use Copilot? Yes, I do. I do have Copilot configured. Do you want to generate types? Yes, I want to generate types. So I'm not using TypeScript, but I'm generating types. Do you want to create the GitHub action to deploy the application to Platformatic Cloud? Yes, we are doing that. And yay, okay. Whoa, a lot of stuff happened. Yeah, we are making an unscalable Q system on top of Q SQLite. So let's start in designing a little bit of the stuff that we are going to create. Okay, so PLT DB migration create. Yay! Oh, it did create me some stuff that I didn't want to. Okay, types. And these are now, they didn't want this, so sorry. Okay, we have this too. And okay, so the first one that we are creating is called items. Okay, well, Oh, why the system is unscalable? Well, the point is it's designed to just run as a single instance on your architecture because it just uses SQLite, and the replication replication of SQLite is well, this is possible, but you probably don't want it, and I don't want to deal with a lot of the distributed system complexities. So right now it's unscalable in the sense that you just run one copy in your system. So yes, I'm using Copilot. Let's ask Copilot. Create a queue table. Queues table. Tac. Yeah, working. So this needs to be an integer though, and we want a queue with a name. Why not? Okay. Yeah, I got Copilot. It worked beautifully, by the way, and a name on it, and we just need a queue. I think it's perfect. Okay, and we are going to queues. Okay, we are dropping this, and yeah, this seems correct. Let's see if I did mess something up. PLT DB migrate. Oh, migrations apply. Oh, syntax error. Huh, what did I do wrong? Maybe is timestamp. No. Yeah. Yeah, this should is fine. Here we go. Okay. Oh, we need to install this stuff. I think. Yeah, okay. Let's Hi Oxwaleed. Hello. So okay, so we have created this. Let's see PLT DB start. Let's see if this work. Oh, didn't. It did crash. Why did not start? Oh. Haha, found the bug. Very interesting. Look, how come I only find bugs? This is just crashed. Makes no sense. I'm using a pre-release version of Platformatic. I'm having the same issue with the last version of Platformatic. Really? Oh, really? It just don't start? This thing completely stopped like that. Yup. Okay. No, the one not released yet. Oh, this is the main one, the unreleased version. Aha, okay, Rob. Yeah, this is the unreleased version of. So let's do npm I Platformatic. Let's use the one local, and then okay, so npx Platformatic DB start, and this should start. Okay. Then I'll need to go and fix that, Rob, before we release. I hope to release tomorrow, but we'll see. Okay, so let's open this up and see how this looks like. Okay, so let's switch to Chrome, and let's go to graphical, and let's see what can we do here. So what we have mutations, save queue. Yeah, we have the ability to manipulate our queues. So let's start saving a queue. Let's try everything is working correctly. Okay. What we want to name a queue, and it's Nodeland. Okay. So, and we want the ID. Should be one. Okay. Yeah, this works as expecting. Yeah, you know, Marco, if you're watching, you might want to go and fix it. Or, yeah, I don't know. I will look at it later today. What's the difference between save and insert? Save is like an upsert operation, IQ, but insert is it allows you to do batching. So you can do insert a lot of documents at the same time. Hopefully that helps. So, okay. So this seems correct. Hi, Saloon87. So this is mostly correct. Okay. So, but however, we need more stuff in here. So let's switch to the terminal and let's do npx plt db migration create. Okay. And we have created a couple of new migrations. Okay. So we have, let's create an items table and create an items table. And let's ask Copilot to do it for us. Okay. We want the QID. That's cool. We don't want the name. Oh, good question. What is PLT? Okay, so let's switch back to this. So this is Platformatic. Okay, it's the startup that works for that I work for and that I co-founded. So it's here. You could find the docs for this, and this is the tool called Platformatic DB. It's a Node backend system that you can just use and will map your database to the web, essentially. Make sense? Hopefully, yes. Okay. Amazing. So let's go back to the terminal. Okay, and here we are. So what what did we need to add? Okay, we needed in our diagram, we had, it's different, a little bit different than Supabase in the sense that this is written in Node. So you can actually add functions straight into it and code modify it the way you want internally and without having to use external functions and stuff like that. But yeah, essentially it's similar to Supabase. So anyway, we are here and we want the QID when it's a timestamp, then the callback URL, headers, method, and body. We're not doing all of them right now. Well, maybe yes. We want definitely to do the when. So here is when, timestamp not null, okay. Then we want, good question, Ale. So Ale is asking, what is the main difference between Platformatic and Azura? And the difference is that with Azure is written in Haskell, and if you want to customize the GraphQL schema, you need to use external functions. Platformatic is written in Node, so you can actually just add a little bit of a plugin like that. We will do it right now, and you could build this kind of features straight in without having external components. Also, Platformatic map also to OpenAPI, which seems you all like more than GraphQL for some reason. So yay, happy days. So we have when, okay, so here, okay, we have when, then we want the callback URL, and how long should an URL can be? Should an URL be 255 is enough? Then is I want the body as this is SQLite, and SQLite does not have JSON-B. So I am a little bit into, yay, 248 characters apparently. Thank you, Rob. This is actually fun. Okay. Then this is a text field. Okay, I am storing it as a text and don't care about it right now. And then I am going to do the same for headers and keep it as a text. And then we will find out what to do with them in the future, I would say. Okay, and then in undo, it's a drop table. Come on, items. Yay. I love Copilot. So, okay, we have these things done. Okay, so this is running and px plt db migrations apply. And ooh, I made a mistake. When is not something that it's a reserved word apparently, and I need to backtick it. Here we go. Okay, done. And it has, by the way, you can see it here. It has generated some of the types for me, item and queue, so that I can use them in my plugin over here. So I could do things with them. Okay, so let's see if I can. Let's go back in Chrome and see if I can. Where is it? Graphical. Okay, so this is my queue. Okay, so let's see if I can. What I have available here. So in the query, I can get my items, cool, and where, yeah, okay, item, and the item, oh, when, oh, I need a status though. Okay, I need a status here. So, okay, let's go back in the, I made a mistake, and I need a status, and in my okay, so apply -t001, and yeah, we have undo this migration, and then I need to add a status, and I need to know how to do enums in SQL that have no clue. I know, Rob, you know very well enums in SQL. In SQL, I discovered that SQL had enums when I started working on it for you, essentially. So SQLite enum. No, I'm not on MySQL. I am. Let me see. Yay! No, I can't do that. I can find the enum types. Yay! Yeah. This does not. It's not supported. Yeah. So okay, this is going to be a Boolean flag. Then let's map it to Booleans, and that will be enough. So is let's call it sentat timestamp, okay, and then we want okay, last sentat, and then well, sentat, and then it's yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we want that field. Ooh. Okay, and then apply this. Here we go. Okay, so we have generated a type for item entity. Okay, so how are we doing? Let's see. This is. I'll probably need to just a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what should we do now? Let's verify everything, all of this works. So we are back on my code, and it's over here. And on graphical, I want to refresh this. And then I do a mutation, and I want to save item. And I want input ID, not the ID, the QID. I want one as a QID. Then I want the callback URL, HTTP, localhost, 3000. There's nothing there, so. Okay, and we want, and I think that's enough. Oh yeah, we need to have a few more data and maybe the method. Did I add the method? I don't think so. Here we go. Yeah, we need the method here. So method. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, this needs to be, let's add a little bit of comments. Add some validations. This should be an enum. Okay. And then add some validations. You should be a URL. And then it's tags and headers should be good. Okay. Let's cancel the first this one to recreate this. And then we go back in here and in Chrome. There we go. Okay, copy, refresh. Okay, we want the method to be a post, to be a get. Let's do a post, and then with body, it's hello, folks, and no headers. Okay, so and I want the ID and the sent at. And if I'm running this, item name. Oh, I did it wrong. Come on. Yeah, this is totally should not be there. Okay. Okay. Refresh. Run it. Oh, when? If, yeah, this is probably not what I want because this is when, but I want this to be set automatically. So let's move it a little bit in code and let's do something different for this. So we go in plugin and we go up Platformatic. We are going to add a hook. Add entity hook, and the entity name is item. And we want to add a hook for save. And this is, yeah, this is a sync save. And here we go. And oh, this is also original, and this is a return original item context. Okay, I think this is the case. Then console log item. Let's try that, and let's go back to Chrome and try test it. Okay, this is failed. We have done nothing. And let's go into Chew. And okay, this is, yay, lot of stuff. Ah, yeah, this is wrong. This is input CTX and fields. So I did it. I implemented the hook wrongly. Okay, so so in here it's input CTX. I don't need the context here. And rest. And here I am going to do input. Input rest. Okay. So if I am here, I shouldn't have stopped this. Come on. Okay. Yep. Shutting down. apply now npx plt db start. Okay, and then I'm refreshing this. I'm saving. Okay, is this more correctly? Yes, this is QED1. Okay, this is what I want to have. So input dot when, if input dot when equals null, well, if it's not there, let's do that. When equals new date. Okay. Now, cool. Okay. We have console log, and now we can save this. I can go back to Chrome and run this. Oh, an expected error value. Interesting. Did something very wrong. Let's see. Oh, an expected error value. To error, to locate error. Wow. Wow, this is nice. Well, sort of the question on where, when, yeah. Oh, yeah, come on, yeah. Okay. Thank you. No, I think the database level is well, let's do that. Right. To isostring. Yay. Okay. This is restarted. Yay, it's working. Okay. So if I go and query my queues, and I want the items. Sorry, if I get the queues, oh, the queues did not pick up the relationship. QID. Oh, I didn't put the yay. Fun. By the way, do you like this music, folks? Okay, so we need to revert back, and then in here, what we want is a reference QID. This was missing. Here we go. Yay! It's the Platformatic restaurant. Okay. I can try to see if we can have different soundtrack. Would you like to try some rock or some jazz? What do you want to try? Let's try some. What you want? Tell me. Rock. Okay, let's try rock. It's rock. Okay. Here we go. So, okay, nice. Okay, we have run this, and now let's go back to Chrome, and in here, let's refresh. So we want the queues, and we want the items for them, and we want the ID, the callback URL, and when. And ooh, didn't work as expected. Oh yeah, because we destroy it. So let's save an item. Okay, and then it's run it again. Okay, it's working. Okay, we're storing all the data, and everything is working as we would expect it to work. Okay, Seems about right. Time for drinking some water. Have you got any question, folks? If you have some, would be happy. It's a good time for responding to questions. We've kind of reached a good stop here. Oh, this is actually quite nice. So what I can do is, let's try deploying this. Okay. So we've just launched Platformatic Cloud and I am just going to configure it in my GitHub repo. So I just need to find my API key for Platformatic, and that I cannot stream that. So let's just give me a second, and I am notes, hopefully here. I didn't save it anywhere. Fun. Okay, going to create a fresh one. API key and generate new API key. Copy it. Okay, so I'm going to configure the API key in the repo. I cannot stream that publicly, so I am going to just trust me that I'm doing it, and then after we have done it, I can show you the page. So here, settings, and I need the secrets, actions, new repository secrets. Okay. So what we are doing now, okay, and we have, okay, let me put it in. So we have added a Platformatic API key on in here, okay, to deploy. Then we can go back here and says git status and git checkout -b init git commit -s -s -n -m queues and items table and push. Oh, I did it wrong. See, sorry, I did it totally wrong. So stop the database. Okay, move db.sqlite old, then git st git add -u. Okay, git commit --, amend, and yay. Okay, move vim git ignore and db.sqlite. Okay, and then git add -u, git commit, fix up. Okay, git push, move old db.sqlite. Okay, and this I can restart. Okay, so let's go to Chrome, and hopefully everything is working correctly now. And I can go and compare my pull request and say create table and items. Sorry, create tables, queues, and items. Okay. And it's opened. Let's see if it runs. Oh yeah, plenty. Please. What kind of tool do you use for creating Platformatic documentation? We use Docusaurus. So it's a little bit of a complex setup for Docusaurus, but we use Docusaurus. And you can find it over here. You see that there are multiple versions of it, of the cloud, of the stuff, and yay, and it's a yay tool. Anyway, it is it. And you can find our definitions of this in. So we have 2 bits. So we have the docs in the main repo, and then we have the open source docs website over here. So there are still seats for the cloud beta. So sign up. We will be doing rolling invites. So just sign up and somebody will get you in. This is running. Hopefully is. It's running. Oh, it's done. Haha. So we have taken and it's now deployed. Okay. Let's see. And I can go to graphical. And so it's query, and we can go and ask our queues. And there's nothing in here, I think. So hopefully it's nothing. Yeah, pretty fast. Right? Okay. So yeah, so we can test it, do some stuff with it and so on. Okay. This seems to be working as expected, or is there something missing? What do you think? I think there is something missing in this PR so far. If you know me, good enough. Yeah, no, if you know me, there is some stuff that's missing. So what I'm going to add now is I am going to add a little bit of a unit test for all this stuff, mainly because I would feel guilty if I don't. And also I would actually cheat because normally I would ask my team to write tests for this. So it's actually better if I actually write my tests. So let's start with a single file called test. And these, we don't have any test deps. So in here, we can do npm I save-dev tap. Do you like tap? I do tap. I do like tap. If you like jest, don't use jest. We already covered this previous stream. Don't use jest for Node. You could use node :test if you want to, but I prefer the tap runner. As soon as the node 1 gets a nice runner, we'll probably get it done. Cool. Okay. Yay. It's been added. So here we get test. So let's add use strict at the beginning. If you're using CommonJS, you need use strict. Then const, I don't need the Fastify instance. I need test from tap. Yeah, it knows me very well. And then I need build server. Oh, haha, yeah, this is fun. I need it from Platformatic DB. Okay. And then I need the test. And create a queue and well, let's put it that way. Let's call this test in a way nicer way. Yeah, the Node.js source module for test is great. And what do we need? Let's call it the test, the happy path. Do you like testing the happy path? I typically start writing the happy path. So we need the config, I think, but maybe we can get away with it. Join require path. Okay, so const server, build server, and we want to provide it a path, I think. And this should be dir name, and then this should be platformatic db.json. Okay, and then we want tr down, and these we want to await. Why is this complaining? Yeah. Okay, and then tear down server.close. Is it close or it's stop? I don't recall. Let's try with close. But I think it's stop. Okay, anyway, let's try this. No test. It's going to crash. No, it's passing. It's passing. I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah, this is probably not exactly what I want. So let's add a read file promises. So I want to const config await read file. I want to read the config UTF-8, and then I want to JSON parse this. And I want config. I did not wrote the tab module. I always linger to write my own test runner, but I never actually got to it. So config server port, and I want it to be 0, and config server logger, I want this to be false. Oh, read file is not defined. Okay. Yeah, this is not like that. Let me see. I'd probably make a mistake here somewhere. Let's look at the docs. And let's take a look. I don't recall how to use my own software. So how do I look right now? Look like complete fraud or something? I don't know. So let's look at it. When I mean I look at the docs, I will look at the source. So options, config manager. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I made a mess. I need to pass the options to the code. Config. Cannot find item entity item. Okay. Cannot find entity item. Why it's complaining that it cannot find the entity item? Let's print the config. Yeah, of course. Because if you look at the configuration of Platformatic, it's interesting. So when we are doing it here, it's not connection string database URL. Yeah, it's not pointing to a database URL correctly, which means that we probably need to tweak it in our config here. So config core connection string SQLite memory is perfect. Then we want config migrations auto apply true, so it runs the migration when we start. And right now, connection string. Okay, it's not passing, does not exist. I knew it. Okay, so config migrations. Yeah. Very interesting. Haha, okay. So I need to do some more tweaking here. Migrations, what's the name here of the folder? There, okay. I really need to create this utility. And yeah, this one. There, okay. And then I need something similar for config plugin. Yeah. And then oh, some more mistakes. Path. Okay. Easy. Path. Okay, now it's passing. I don't have dot files publicly available. I probably should make some of my dot files publicly available, but I'm very lazy. What utility do you mean, IQ? IQ? What utility are you mentioning? Okay. Yeah. This is this is me creating everything correctly, but I will create a little bit of quick thing to get it done easily. And no, we don't have that utility in Fastify. Sorry, it's you just create Fastify and just works. So here let's do server app inject. Okay, this is the where we do our call with Fastify. So it's we inject and we inject a method post and your GraphQL. The payload it's the payload it's we want a query, a mutation. Now we want create queue, input name test, seems correct, and we want the ID of the queue. So okay, let queue ID. Okay, and we want to close our mutation. Okay, and then it's data console log data. Okay. Oh, undefined. Did something wrong. Let's put it as res. Oh, this is actually res. I need to res body JSON. It's not a function. Let's res body, and then let's see what this look like. This is the body. So rest JSON. Rest will do me. Oh, part JSON. Okay, finally I found it. Okay. It's create mutation. Oh, not create queue. It's a save queue. Okay, and yeah, okay, it's working. So and then it's const data res JSON and QED save QID, and here we want this to be equal to 1 equal. Okay, equal 1. Okay. Oh, it's 2 now. It's 3. Wait, you did something wrong. It's not what I would expect. Config. this is not correct. Okay, because this is actually creating a memory file somewhere. Yeah, it's likely creating a memory file somewhere. Okay. Ah, why is complaining? No foreign table. It's keeping the same. Yes, because I put memory with the wrong and it was creating, still saving the file somewhere. Very interesting bug. So no foreign table named queues was found. Okay. Let's see why. Okay, the logger migrations, yay, and I want to auto generate false. Okay. No foreign table name queues was found. Very interesting question. Because if I run this, yeah, this seems to running expectly. Okay. Big question here. It's not. This is a fundamental question. When are people too old to code? I don't know. Never. I found people coding later. I don't know. When your brain is fried, you can stop coding. I don't think I would stop coding, but somebody might stop coding at some point. I don't know. Do you want to stop coding, Angular developer? Okay, let's try something different. And let's put the logger to true. And logger, actually, let's comment this out. Good, Chemical Trail. It's amazing to see you doing that. And here, let's do logger level. Logger config server logger level trace. Let's see what the heck is happening. A lot of things are happening. Hey, hi. So, Pragma, table, info, items. Ooh. Sorry, why it's creating graphs? Table info graphs. This seems very weird. Okay, let's do a little bit of fancy. Dig deep. This is where those queries look like inside SQLite. And here, items. Running migrations. How running migrations. Yay! It's you should do a bootcamp. Okay. So nice finding bugs in your own software somewhere. Migrate or apply migrations. Yeah, this is the migrator itself. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's not picking up the migrations correctly for some reason. It says running migrations. Very weird. Okay. Yeah, thank you. What the heck? What the heck? I really need to write that extension to do this in a way that's expected. So these should be okay. Node. Okay. Okay, plenty of stuff here. Yay, lot of configs for Platformatic. This should be okay. ls Platformatic config. Here we go. Oh, ooh, not what I would expect here. Totally not what I would expect. Okay, there is a bug. Good. How can we work? Let's work around that bug. Okay. So instead of doing that, well, I think I got myself kind of a bad goal with this unit test. So I get what people, the pain that people are feeling. So I will probably work a little bit on the solution and then write on something on for it next week, because I think for Friday, because we are streaming again on Friday. Tomorrow I'm meeting some of my friends in Bologna. Something more about this stuff. We are going on. I'm going to be off for 2 weeks during the Christmas break. I'm not going to stream, so in case you wonder that. Okay, let's switch a little bit gear, and let's see if why my PLT Platformatic main thing is not starting. Okay, so Platformatic. Okay. Let's look into that for a second. And I need to be able to do this to fix that, the other one. I am in Italy. I live in Italy. I live here. I don't live in the UK. So I never lived in the UK. Yeah, Vim is complicated. If you start doing Vim, though, you will never exit. So be careful. It's going to rewire your brain. So it's not starting. So here is calling start, and process row debug. Okay. Who is not even passing here? What the heck? Process on exit. Okay. Process exit 0. How the heck? Okay. How the heck this is exiting? Wait a second. Let me try something. Matteo. Ice users. Yeah, Matteo. Repositories. Platformatic. DB. No, Platformatic. Packages. DB. And then it's start. Yay. Okay, that's why. Let me see. Package JSON. okay. Let me db pmi. Yeah. Let's do one little change here. This is a fix. Yeah. It has a lot of dependencies, this stuff. How come it cannot find that package? This makes no absolute sense. Ah, but this is the wrong repo. Come on, that's the reason. Yay, okay. Yeah, this is working. Okay. So it's a problem on the PLT DB start. On the, yeah, it's up. I know where the problem is. Okay. So it's a problem on the CLI module. And in here, and in here, and ensure command. And no, it's okay. Okay, it's passing through here. Okay. It's parse async, ensure command. Oh, yeah. So what the heck is happening? Okay, let's go back into the code. When did this change landed? Thank you, Rob. You were very useful in finding this, finding the problem. So, okay. When this happened. History. Yes, this change that I landed in here. Here, output. Sorry. Why that is null? So db run db. Okay, output. It's parse async. Very, very weird. Commist. Sorry, program. Okay, yeah. It's so start lib. Start. What's the start returns? If I do this, does this work now? It does. It doesn't. It seems I need to revert that PR. Because it makes no sense. Yay. This. It changes. Wait, parse async. Pull the plug. That seems a good thing. So, okay. Let's see. So db.mjs. Oh. And here we have okay. Yeah, this is null. Why it's null? This is db. This is start. And it should not return null. Well, it should. Can be anything, to be honest. Okay, let's see commist. How does this work? I wrote this thing. Yeah, there is null, then there is nothing left to do. Okay, so here, this is totally freaking wrong. If this is absolutely wrong, it's this code that's wrong. If it's not that, it's return. Okay, so now this works. Hey, hooray! Finally found the problem. And okay. Yeah, there is one more console log that, where is it? Where is it? My console log. Is Platformatic Cloud free? It's free for now. Yeah, it's free. Consider it. It will be free enough that if you're not doing a lot, if you're working solo, you're not going to pay for it. But we will have a paid plan at some point. Until we have the money to pay for it, of course. At that point, well. But if things go well, you will not have to worry about it. It's just a problem for myself and Luca. So it's, here we go. Okay, where did I diff? Oh yeah, it's over there. Okay, perfect. It's on db.json. Okay. Okay, so okay, then I need to clee and pm test. We even fixed the bug in Platformatic because I was stuck. So amazing! Thank you. Thank you for starting your base using Platformatic. So what is this? Okay, get diff. Okay, this is passing though, and I don't like things that are passing. Tests that were passing before and are passing now, so not happy. Okay, so we need, this was totally missing some stuff. Missing config file, login, command not found. Okay, what we need is basic config SQLite. And I'm going to copy this. Sleep. Okay. CLI and fixtures. Platformatic DB.json. Okay. So here. Start the database. And do a call. So here is -c, and then test fixtures. They need to join their name. It's their name and fixtures. Platformatic.db.json. Okay. And this is it. Oh, I need this. Okay, close the window. Okay, so this is, we are running. Okay, and this is correct. This starts my thing, the database. Okay. However, this is not exactly all the things that we need. We will also need a little bit of a helper that I have in here, and I need a little bit of stuff. Okay, and let's go back and open my test. I need this import from Undici. Okay, oh, this is an ESM. Okay, request. Then I need to do this. Okay. Then what do I need? I need this. Start. And I need to add split. Import split from split2. Okay. And npm pm add split2 undici save def. Okay. Then in here we do start. And it's we need this. The CLI path is already should be set, and we already have the CLI path. So okay, let's run this. Takes forever. Oh, dir name not defined. I'm bad. Import desm from desm. My little utility always helps. Here we go. Okay. Desm. Dir name. Join. Ah, it was already there. So instead of import meta, okay. Oh, sorry, folks. Yay. Here we go. On is undefined. Thank you. You got this. You spotted Iku. On. Where is it on? Thank you. Yeah. Command not found. DB star. Okay. This seems we're starting getting somewhere. Start. Okay. This is, we don't need to start here. Just a second. Okay, only. It's much better with the music, by the way. I love it. Here we go. Command not found. Okay. Here we go. Missing config file. Okay. Can get to that. And missing config file. Why is missing? Oh, yeah. Damn. Okay. Think we are good. If this passes, it's going to be a nice fix. And I just say thank you for joining. As usual, yeah, this is passing now. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we need to verify that await promise all. Okay, and the first one is this one. Okay, the second it's an async ify. Okay, so here we go, and then it's a port. Oh, we need the server. Okay, no, wait a second. Start const res child. Okay, and then we do t dot tear down. Let's see. What did it look like in DB? Okay. Dispose, no, dispose. Oh, but oh, child kill. Okay. Child kill SIGINT. Okay, so this we are killing the database. Okay, and in here we need to do sorry. We need the URL. Okay. And this is we just need to do this. Let's do that. Okay. Theme, what should be theme? So I can configure it for next time. I'll set it up. Let me know what to do and I'll set things up. Lego logic. And Groovebox. What is Groovebox? Migrations. What does it create? Graphs. Okay. A name. Oh, your color scheme. Yes, I think so. Maybe. Yes, it's Groovebox. Yeah, thank you. Somebody else know my color scheme and I don't. So there is something there that save graph. Okay, this is save graph. And it's here's name. Yeah, it's name and it's not title, it's name. 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 Okay. Let's see. Yes, I could. Child kill is not a function. URL is not defined. Okay. Fun. What did I do wrong? It's probably this. Equal is not defined. Okay. Can work with that. Tear down. And equal. Tear down. My tmax count match is not defined. Now it's done. Okay. And if I change this back to what it was, let's see. This was process exit 0. This started failing. Yep. Okay. And I need to delete. Okay. Sure, works. Okay, thank God. Restore start command. Checkout -b. Oh, git add commit -s -s. Let's do that. Oh, sorry, no, popd. Oh, no. Git ignore. Okay. Make sure fix the start command from the top CLI. From the CLI. In, let's take the PR. Okay. Broke all start commands by making them exit. With code 0. This PR changes that and adds a test. Cool. Okay, my tmax config, and meanwhile, let's open up PR and so Okay, so my tmax config, tmax. So I have a tmax conf. This is my tmax conf. It's pretty long. It's nothing special here, to be honest. The most interesting part is this tmax line, which is what I used to create this configuration long time ago. So literally, this is just what it is. The color, then, and some of these mumbo jumbo, which I don't even know what this is. So yeah, pretty much. So this was created in 2014 by a software called tmux line that it didn't work. Yeah, sure. I can. Let's me put into a gist. So just creating this for you. Okay, and then I am adding one more file. Yeah, I am adding a file. And then Chrome. Okay, here we go. It should be any secrets or anything here. So tmux.conf. Okay. Here we go. It is in the chat. So you get it, you have it. And yay. Okay, I think it's done. I don't have any more time. I'm a little bit over, actually, to be honest. So this is the final PR for our fix. And after this is done, I'll get to create some little bit of a utility for us to create a temporary instance, because that seems way more complex than what it should be. So I am absolutely sure I can actually fix some of those problems. So perfect, folks. And we'll chat again on Friday. So tune in Friday at 5:30 Central Europe. Don't know what time is it in your stuff, but I always stream at the same time. So see you on Friday, and bye-bye.